Hey, what's up, guys? So let's solve this 1508 range sum for sorted subarray. So this problem is simple because it's length scale. Okay, so let's do this. So basically, you have array nums consist of positive integers, and you compute the sum of all non-empty continuous subarray from array, and then sorted in this non-decreasing order, and creating a new array of n times n plus 1 divided by two numbers. And then you have a left and right and inclusive. So this is very stupid because it start from 1. So when you call Python, then you should go left -1, right? Because it's in left is 1, and then modulo 10 to the 9 plus 1. Okay. So for example, you can do all the subarray sum and from 1 to 5. So in this case, it's this 5. Okay, so from 0 to 5. Okay, so it's 10 to this one, right? So even though you have n square algorithm, it's still possible, right? Because it's 1000. So you just use a prefix sum, and then you compute like 0, x denoted is 0, s equals 0, and then you compute the prefix. And all the possible array are from all the prefix sum difference. So this is the idea. There's only one trick here is prefix sum. So first compute prefix sum, and all the subarray sum will be the difference of prefix sum. Okay, once you understand this is n squared, and then you sort it is n log n. So and then you just do the results. This is the very simple problem because the it's very fast. Okay, so see you guys next videos.